Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm talking about what did you do on vacation or holiday in your life? Alright. Every single day I don't have vacation, I don't have holiday in my life because you know what? I spend my whole life every single day for vacation. Just because vacation, don't have education, don't have no one, occupation, work, job. Just because I don't have that. But a lot of people got bored, you know what? When you don't have job, you don't have education, you don't have anything about that. But I myself spend my whole life beside bored in my life. I myself studying learning many languages, not only English but also many languages like Spanish, Dutch, German, French, Arabic, dan Esperanto. Just because for me, learning many languages is making me fun because I suggest a lot of people after mastering English, they must learn second language, not only, German, but also French, Arabic, anything about that, But if you cannot speak English for the first time in your life, you must focus on learning English. I don't get bored, I don't get, lazy enough for seeing my wife in my life because again and again, every Tuesday, every Sunday afternoon in HPI English Club, not only here but also Sunday Speaking Club, Access English Club, ITC English Club, anything about that. Because from this day to the end of the day, not only people but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. Why do people I say every single people like that? Because I just invite a lot of people, just love people, must speak English, anything about English. If you don't understand, you cannot speak English, you can learn by yourself, learn by your teacher, anything about that. Sometime when I got vacation, I spend my time. Somebody called me and then I got from Europe and speak, Dutch language. Get from Europe, from Amsterdam, down, Leiden, Den Haag, Belgium, or United States, or United Kingdom, very totally bored. We don't have education, we don't have work, we don't have occupation. But I just promote a channel or Aceh profile for country, that filmmaker, or filmmaker that speak, Spanish, Spanish, or English, bahasa, anything about that. The point is, my whole life, I got every single day my, vacation or holiday because you know what? Always told me my life for learning many languages, not only English, but also when I got bored, I just increase, American accent or big accent. More and more, learning this accent very awesome, I think. This is very awesome because a lot of people in the whole world can speak the accent nowadays. Just because love to compare with American accent or with accent. Alright, my friend, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.